Well, we're out here in Atkins. I got Jarrod. We gotta relieve the bean here too once we get it off. Well, I'm not gonna bring it with us to Maumelle, but very muddy, rainy, foggy day. We're dropping the 140 and picking up the 265. 265 is going to Maumelle to a new pit. And then I got to go get the 5 from Clarksville and bring it to a job in Dover later on. Hopefully we'll be able to do all this quick enough for try and hustle through the day. But since Jarrod's with me, things will go a little bit faster. Well, the Doosan's dead on the trailer. So we're jumping it. Track hose are 24 volts. So that battery's 12, this battery's 24. So you have to hook the jumper cables up to the 12 volt battery. You hook it over here and into there, it's 24 volts. Or if you hook the power to there and the ground over there, it's 24 volt. So you gotta be real careful. Then I jumped up in the truck, made sure the truck was still reading 12 volts, just in case. But it's gonna probably take 15 minutes for this to juice up enough where we can get it off the trailer. Probably should have hit the kill switch before Christmas break, but things happen, I suppose. So Jarrod's just sitting here playing on his phone.
Nothing else to do.
Jarrod's digging the tracks out. Well, we're dropping the Sany off right now. Be careful about it sliding off to the passenger side. It's going into this pit.
Duffel bag filled to the T. When I look at what I see, I could truly say that's all me. Pack my things up, make some pit stops. Catch me in the hilltops on the side of the country. Came back from being down 1-3. We the 16 Cavaliers, whole team hungry. Keep the family roots like we came from one tree. One branch, one leaf. Had to embark on this voyage. Double parked in the Taurus. Thank the ones before us to let us peep this was for us. Turn porous into pour up. Nas Bellinis and 3 letters what they call us. She in bikinis, I make it rain in her for us. Tropical forecast where the water be the purest. Can't get back time watching your wrist. Stay nourished. All that music brought us and it taught us. Spread it to your sons and daughters cause my duffel bag filled to the T. When I look at what I see, I could truly say that's all me. Pack my things up, make some pit stops. Catch me in the hilltops on the side of the country. Came back from being down 1-3. We the 16 Cavaliers, whole team hungry. Keep the family roots like we came from one tree. One branch, one leaf. And we don't never compete. Yeah, the roads is bumpy. Sipping bubbly, now we living comfy. I be chillin' with my son, watching Teletubbies. Got a fine black woman and she call me hubby. I feel sorry for the woman who had tried to dub me. Now they wonder how my life turned out, come see. I pay my bills monthly, and I don't never rush things. It's just me and my brother and we stay hungry. Now we travel in the countries, which is very humbling. Cause coming from where we from, we done seen the ugly. Used to rock rugby, yeah, late night trooping. We would go to Stumpy's and cop fried dumplings. ISO.
And we gotta figure out somewhere to hide the key, not in the machine.
Duffel bag filled to the T. When I look at what I see, I could truly say that's all me. Pack my things up, make some pit stops. Catch me in the hilltops on the side of the country. Came back from being down 1-3. We the 16 Cavaliers, whole team hungry. Keep the family roots like we came from one tree. One branch, one leaf.
Now I gotta clean this trailer off and put everything away. That Sany's quite a muddy mess. Well, now Jarrod and I are in the dump truck to go get the pintle, to get the 5, to move the 5 to Dover, and to try and get back here by 5 o'clock to go to Ashley's New Year's party, whatever, for her work, which I ain't gonna make. It's what, 3:40? So, and I don't have a prayer of making it, but we're gonna try and bang this out as fast as we can and get back here to town. 5's over in Clarksville. Clarksville's about 30 minutes away. It won't take us very long to load it, chain it down. It goes pretty quick, but it's kind of going out a little ways out in Dover, but loading stuff on the pintle is relatively fast. We can knock it out. The whole loading, what I can do it by myself in 7 minutes. So we're gonna try and hurry through this one. It's 6 o'clock. Just got back to the office. Jarrod's over here too, but you can't really see him. Stopped real quick, and Ashley's with her coworkers. Mexican food restaurant. She's drinking, of course, which I hate when she does that. But we're gonna pack up and go home. I'm gonna go find dinner somewhere. Thinking about going having some pho. This place called Lynn's. It's by far my favorite place to go to. And then I'll run home and get on the computer. Got kind of a long New Year's weekend ahead of me on the computer and editing and all this stuff, trying to get that commercial up and going. But I'm in the Mac pulling the pintle, because the pintle was up at one of the other guys who works here's house. It's been sitting there forever. So I was gonna go get the 5 in the RGN, which I was in earlier today, but since I needed to get the pintle, we brought the RGN to the office. I jumped in the Mac. This is the new Mac, not the red one. And then ran and got the pintle, then got the 5, and then I can bring the 5 to Dover and then the pintle back to the yard. So a little bit of jostling around, but I didn't make it enough time. I was supposed to go with her to go sit down and eat, but didn't end up happening. So Jarrod, I'm trying to get him to talk to her coworker's daughter, and he just isn't interested in girls at all. So I don't know what his problem is. Maybe, you know, well, it's not bad. He can be into guys if he wants to. I'm not going to knock him for it, but
I'm gay.
you know, if he's just not interested in getting girls' phone numbers, I could try and help a brother out, then hey, it's got to be the other thing, I suppose. But we'll go get some pho, computer, and then a bunch of stuff tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow.